Hi everyone, Robert Hess here with the Disabled Veteran Empowerment Network, that's DVEN. This video shows our GT40 replica car that we'll be auctioning soon through, we think, Bring a Trailer. We spent 3 years refurbishing this car and I was able to take it on the track last November at the Thermal Club in Palm Springs at a Pirelli Tire P0 Experience event. It was quite a hoot driving a replica car of the car that beat Ferrari at Le Mans 4 years running. So it's a great car, really exciting and fun to drive. If you're interested in owning this car, send us a note at info@devon.org. That's info@dven.org, and we'll let you know when it goes up for auction. And if you're a car fan or you like to drive on the track or autocross, be sure and check out our Top Dog Motorsports competition program at Rally for Vets. That's Rally, the number 4, vets.com. Thanks, guys, and hope to see you on the track.